Welcome everyone. Today we're going to discuss addition, subtraction of radical expressions. What is radical expressions? Radical expressions are expressions that are made by radicals, such as 2 square root of 3. This is an example of a radical. So if we put negative 3 square root of 5, you can call this as a radical expression. These radical expressions are called similar radicals. As you can see, the square root. So it has the same index 2 and the same radical 3. And for another example, as this, cube root of 7. So they have same radical. Let's start now adding and subtracting. Example number 1. These are square root of 12 plus square root of 27 minus square root of 48. Of course, square root of 12 is not a perfect square. So you need to do is to find a value that is a perfect square. So 4 times 3. 4 is a perfect square. Then 27 is also not a perfect square. So find a number that has a perfect square. So 9 times 3 minus also 48. Then this is equal to 16 times 3. Then simplify. Square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 3 minus 4 square root of 3. Since all index and the radicals inside are the same, so simplify. Add these two, whole number, and this index or the radicals, just copy. So, ang gagawin ay 5 plus minus 4 is 2 is 1. So, don't need to write as 1. So, square root of 3 is the answer. So, first thing we're gonna do is you find out that their index is not the same. First, just simplify. So, this becomes 2 plus, this is 2 minus 16. 16 is a fourth root, so it's 2. So, just simply add and subtract. So, the answer is 2. What if we encountered square root of 12 plus fourth root of 144 minus 6 root of 27? Of course, first thing you're gonna do is find a factor, which is a 4 times 3. Then, this kind of radical expression, you need to change it as an exponential form. So it becomes square root of this is 12 squared 1 over 4. There's an invisible 1 in here and the index 4 minus, change this as an exponential form, this becomes 3 cube root of 1 over 6. 6 as an index and 1. Then, we're going to do is simplify this. So this becomes 2 square root of 3 plus multiply the numerator to the denominator, same as this. So it becomes 12 2 over 4 minus 3 over 6. So just copy this 3 over 3 plus. Since these two can be simplified, this is being cancelled. This becomes 12 and 1 half minus 3 and 1 half. So, next thing to do is just copy this plus change this as a radical, so it becomes square root of 12 minus this as, change this as a radical, so it becomes square root of 3. Now, since 12 can factor out, so factor out. this is also 4 times 3. So 4 is a perfect square. So 2 square root of 3 minus square root of 3. Now, since they have all the same radicals, you can add them. So this becomes, let's simply add this and 1 and just copy this. So it becomes 4 minus 1 is 3. Cube root of 3. This is the answer. That's all for the day, and thanks for watching. Thank you.